I had the amazing opportunity to call Italy my home for years, and I want you to experience the love for the culture that became a part of my own. This uniquely designed retreat in the beautiful Italian countryside is perfect for women looking to lean into slow living and all it has to offer, experiencing the authentic side of Italy and making friendships and memories to last a lifetime. Join me for walks in the vineyard and wine tastings, soak in orange-colored sunsets overlooking the olive tree-covered hills, learn to make fresh pasta, discover old-world antiques, and shopping at one of Italy's most historical and largest antiques markets. Intentional workshops will give you space to appreciate, learn, and implement the slow living pace that Italy has to offer. The retreat will allow you to experience a different side of Italy that you may not have seen before. You will come back with a greater perspective and understanding of the old world Italian way of life and learn how to implement it back into your own life, wherever you call home.